Good morning everyone, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to share with you guys everything that I picked up at CVS. So I had 0 CRTs to go into my transaction to start off with. So this is me starting from complete 0. So I'm just going to share with you guys everything that I picked up. So I did the note cards again because you guys said that you guys really enjoy that. So I do not use Arm & Hammer and I also don't use Almay. So the first person to email me saying that they want my Arm & Hammer coupons or my Almay coupons, you're gonna be the first one to get it. So first email I get with your address, it's just gonna be popped in the mail. I will physically walk that letter over to the mail probably in about 20 minutes. So first one to email me saying you want those coupons, I'm gonna give them to you. So now let's just go ahead and get into the deals. Okay, you guys, so my first transaction, I went in with a 4 off 30 total purchase coupon. So I'm just gonna share with you guys everything I did. So I bought 3 of the Tide Pods. I bought a Nexxus dry shampoo, and I bought a travel size of the Nexxus conditioner, and I bought a Colgate Max toothpaste. So I bought all 3 of these together. I had no extra care bucks to roll into the transaction at all. So the Tide Pod deal is when you buy 3, you're going to get a $5 extra care bucks. So they are $4.94 each. And what you want to do is buy 3 for $14.82. Now you can use 3 of the 3 off 1 Tide coupons, use 2 of the insert coupons from the August P&G, and then you can send a $3 coupon to your CVS app. If you don't know how to use your CVS app, I have a video linked below explaining everything. So you would pay $2.82 for 3 of them, or 94 cents. So this is my extra care buck I got for buying 3 Tide Pods. So it worked just fine. And then the Nexxus deal, what I did for my deal is I bought a dry shampoo for $14.99, and then I bought a travel conditioner for $5.19. I had a 3 off 12 CRT for hair care, so I used that CRT here, and then that $10 extra care buck printed for me. And then the Colgate Max, these guys are $2.99. There was a $1.50 instant coupon, and there was also a 99-cent CRT that printed at the end of my receipt, so I used that as well. So that made this guy just 49 cents. So for this transaction, I paid $22.13, but then I earned back $10 for the Nexxus and $3 for the Tide. So then the next transaction I did cosmetics. So I did the Covergirl deal. So Covergirl cosmetics are on a buy 2, get $6 in extra care bucks. So I bought 2 of the Covergirl blush trios. These guys were $7.29. If you watched my Target video, this was the trio I was talking about. I wore this every day in high school. Literally 4 years of my life was dedicated to this blush trio, and it is still there. So I'm so excited to relive my high school days. So I bought 2 of them for $14.58. There are 3 off 1 coupons on coupons.com for the face product. It's still available. I'll have it linked below so you guys can go print it out. And then I had a 3 off 12 CRT for cosmetics. So I paid $5.58, but then I got back that $6 extra care bucks. That was a really nice deal for me. And you can use the coupon on the trio because it just excludes the single blushes, but it doesn't exclude this guy. So you can use it on that one. Okay, so next, Physicians Formula is on a buy 2 and get a $10 extra care buck. It excludes those makeup removers, so just keep that in mind. So I bought the cucumber stick for $10.99 and the organic mascara for $10.99. You guys recommended this, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. So I bought 2 of them for $21.98. I had an 8 off 20 CRT for Physicians Formula. I should have only paid $13.98 and then the $10 extra care bucks, so it should have been $3.98, but it didn't take off on my receipt. So I looked at my receipt and I did not get that 8 off 20. So what they did is they printed me an $8 extra care buck, which was really nice of them. There was no hassle on their end. They just went ahead and printed it for me. So I paid $30.39, but I got back $16 in extra care bucks, and they manually printed $8 extra care buck for me. So I used that $8 extra care buck into my next transaction. So what I did is I bought the 6 roll of the Bounty paper towels. These guys are on sale for $6.88. And then I got 2 of the Hershey products. So The Hershey's are 99 cents and everyone's getting that 75-cent CRT from the red box. So final cost is 25 cents. I went ahead and got 2 of them because I didn't want to lose out on my extra care bucks. And then with the Bounty, if you wanted to pick this up, they're $6.88, and there's a 25-cent P&G coupon. You can either send to your CVS extra care card, or you can use the insert coupon. So it makes it $6.63. So I paid 62 cents with this transaction, and then I have a ton of extra care bucks to go into next week with. So, and then I also got an 8 off 60 coupon that printed from my receipt. So I have this for next week. So let me know if you guys want to see a deal scenario using that 8 off 60. Just comment below that you want to see a breakdown for that. I also have a little giveaway to say thank you to you guys. So if you want to be entered to win this pineapple full of my fun summer essentials, then go ahead and leave a comment below. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle will be in the description box of this video. So what you're gonna win is a Physicians Formula Refreshment Cucumber Depuffer Stick. Love it. Also one of the Physicians Formula highlighters. You're also gonna get a Sally Hansen No Chip nail polish, a Physicians Formula makeup remover, and also the charcoal detox stick, and my new fave, the St. Ives Energizing Coconut Coffee Scrub, and then this cute ceramic pineapple. So if you want to be entered to win, make sure you're subscribed to this channel, comment anything you want below, and follow me on Instagram. So those are the requirements to enter this giveaway. So good luck, everyone. Also, I want to mention that Target Tuesday will be uploaded again later on Tuesday because my in-laws are going to need a day to rest from their vacation. So how many of you guys need a vacation from your vacation? Because that's exactly what they need. So I won't be getting out to Target until Tuesday evening again. So you can look for that Target Tuesday upload later in the evening on Tuesday. So thank you guys so much for watching my CVS haul. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and you guys know that I'm not a fan of the Arm & Hammer, and I'm also not a fan of Almay Cosmetics. So if you guys want my coupons, the first one to email me telling me they want my Arm & Hammer and Almay coupons, I'm going to drop a little note in the mail for you, and it's going to be sent off. So first one to email me saying they want my coupons, I'm going to send it out to them because I don't use either one of the products, and I want to share the coupons so they don't go to waste. So I hope everyone has a fantastic Sunday with whatever they are doing, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.